Hi, I'm Georgette Lopez-Aguado, and I'm an advisor in Fort Worth, Texas. And I'm here today to share with you the beautiful Homestead collection. The collection itself is very exciting. It's got a Fast to Fabulous album, a cover set, the pages, stickers, and a couple of laser embellishments I'm going to share in a minute. But I want to help get your creative juices flowing and help you think about projects you might want to complete with this particular collection. I think the Fast Fabulous album would be a wonderful housewarming gift for a new homeowner, someone who might have bought their first home, or maybe you have friends that completed a lot of projects during the pandemic and they want to just recognize the work that they did. I also plan to use this as an album for the houses in my family, the genealogy of the houses of our family, if you will, from maps from where my great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents lived, to pictures of the homesteads, the farm, to sketches of the interior of the houses that I might not have pictures of, to my own home and the home that my children were raised in. So perfect for remodels, perfect for stories of the decor that your house has gone through a multitude of years. Just a wonderful album for a fun project. Now, if you like to start with a blank canvas and create your own pages, we do have a wonderful paper pack. And with the paper pack, you can talk to your advisor about the project recipe for this month. Ask and see if maybe she's going to have a paper buffet so that you can see these gorgeous papers yourself. And if you like our templates, we do have a couple of new templates for this month, which I'll share in just a few minutes. With the beautiful laser embellishments, there's so many embellishments I couldn't fit them on one page. You've got the wonderful clock and the windmill, the house, titles, frames, very much kind of a Magnolia home feel without with a perfect decor. I mean, these are all very on point embellishments for what you've got going on. This collection also comes with laser borders. And when you purchase the laser borders, I want to encourage you to think not only about the horizontal options for these borders, but also using them vertically as borders down the side of your page. I always buy two kits because I like things to match across my page, but you can also take a laser embellishment and cut it in half and put 6 inches in the upper right-hand corner of your page and 6 inches in the bottom left-hand corner of your page, or even cut it at 4 inches so that you've got 4 inches on the left-hand side and 8 inches on the right-hand side joined by the Jeep. So there's a continuity to the page itself. I love the laser borders and I just can't get enough of them. The sticker packs for this collection, I think, are very, very versatile. You've got lots of phrases and sayings about your family, the time that you've been spending together, the decor that you've been putting into your home, country chic, if you will. Or maybe you're going to an Airbnb or something like that, and these are some of the designs that you're seeing in those houses. You can use these border strips and add them with something you've punched out with our border maker cartridges. You can use them to seal a piece of paper that you've folded over. You can cut them up and use smaller sections. And then you can also get the finishing touch with our mat pack. The mat packs are 4.5 by 6.5 inches, 4 by 6, recipe cards, phrases. I like to really leverage these. So if I see something like this that's got a blank space up top, either I'll put a picture right here, or I'll cut this in half and I'll use the sentiment on one area of the card clustered with a little section of the embellishments, and then I'll use this section as a photo mat. You can also use our custom cutting system to pop out this journaling mat. You see a couple lines on it. Get the journaling mat out, and then you still have a photo frame available for you. So you can use that either on top of your photograph or you can use it behind your photograph as a mat. I also look whenever I get a mat pack to see if there's embellished pieces that I can cut apart. So this actually would give me 4 different title bars, and I could use this behind one of the laser title embellishments that I showed you momentarily a few minutes ago. Now, Creative Memories is known for their tools. So the Border Makers cartridge for this month, I love how it looks. It's a very clean look. I think it's going to be perfect not only for ranch photographs, but also if you've got some grunge pages you want to do or a biker page. Think outside of the box. Maybe you have a kid that is involved with a riding club or a horseback riding therapy group. We also have this wonderful horse cartridge, a horse punch that you can use to create borders and cards. Um, I would think that foam squares would be something you want to ask your advisor about so that you can get some extra oomph to that page, give it some texture so that you've got the shadow of the horse. And don't forget that you can layer a punch off the edge of the page and then cut that off to get a multitude of different looks. Another suggestion I have, and you can see it on this example, is that I mixed and matched the Infinity Chain Border Maker cartridge with the Barbed Wire Border Maker cartridge. And I got another look that I think is lots of fun. We also have two different card kits for this collection. The first card kit is the gift pocket card kit, and then we have the blue jeans card kit as well. You're going to want to get both of these card kits. All of our card kits come with step-by-step instructions for how to assemble the card kits, and you get 12 handmade cards, and then you get bonus pieces in both of the collections. The denim collection gives you 27 additional sentiments that you could use on cards that you make. Gift pocket collection is perfect for this time of year. You're needing gift card holders for people who are graduating. Maybe you want to offer a thank you for someone who brought a meal by. Congratulations to newlyweds. And there's just lots of easy ways to put these together. I think foam squares are a must when you're making these. And maybe it's just because. My challenge to you is to get a card kit and commit in April to sending out all 12 to the people in your circle of life that are having milestone moments in April or May. We all love to receive a special piece of mail in our mailbox. The blue jean is beautiful. Thank you cards. Congratulations. You even got from all of us cards so that if maybe your family is spreading their good wishes. Hey there, when was the last time you sent a card to someone you went to college with or a coworker that you haven't seen in a while? What are the things that we're grateful for? And what are we wishing for? It's just a wonderful collection. And I think you'll really enjoy getting together with your friends. You can do a card kit with your friends virtually or invite a couple people over to your house, and you can maintain your social distancing. Or once you've gotten your vaccines, maybe you can get together maybe at a coffee shop and put these together out in public. Getting those creative juices flowing and having the opportunity to actually create is a wonderful way to celebrate your beautiful life. And I think the Homestead collection is exactly the right collection to help you do that. I can't wait to see what you create. Be sure to post what you do and share the Creative Memories love around the globe. Thanks so much.